friends, in this video we are going to solve some problems related to superconductivity. So first read the question. Calculate critical current density of for 1 mm diameter lead wire at 4.2 Kelvin and 7 Kelvin. A parabolic dependence of magnetic field strength Hc may be assumed for calculation. Okay, and the given data are critical temperature is 7.2 Kelvin and critical field at T equal to 0 Kelvin is Hc, which is equal to 6.5 into 10 power 4 ampere per meter square. So we need to find current density at 4.2 Kelvin and 7 Kelvin. Okay, equation to find the current is IC, which is equal to magnetic field Hc into 2 pi r. Okay, this is the equation to find critical current. And to find current density, critical current density Jc, equation is IC divided by pi r square. Okay, this Hc is Hc of T. I mean, if you want to find critical current at 4.2 Kelvin, then this Hc is Hc at 4.2 Kelvin. Here it is given Hc at T equal to 0 Kelvin is given, which is 6.5 into 10 power 4 ampere per meter. So in order to find IC, I mean critical current, first we need to find what is field at T equal to 4.2 Kelvin. Okay, first we need to find this. To find field at any temperature, we have a relation which is sometimes called parabolic dependence, which is this one, Hc of T at any temperature T is Hc of 0, I mean Hc of T equal to 0 into 1 minus T by Tc whole square, where Tc is critical temperature. Here in this question, it is given 7.2 Kelvin. Tc is given 7.2 Kelvin. Okay, fine. So our first task is find out Hc at 4.2 Kelvin. To find that, put the values Hc at 4.2 Kelvin equal to Hc of 0. Hc of 0 is given this one, 6.5 into 10 power 4 into 1 minus T. We need to find where T is 4.2 Kelvin. So T is 4.2 divided by Tc is 7.2 the whole square. Okay, take your calculator and do this, and we get 4.28 into 10 power 4 ampere per meter. So Hc, we find out Hc. So next task is finding IC. IC equal to Hc into 2 pi r. Here r also given in this question. See, diameter is 1 mm, so radius should be 0.5, half of the diameter, mm. Okay, So IC equal to HC is we already find out 4.28 into 10 power 4 into 2 into pi. Pi value is 3.14 and radius is 0.5 mm. Mm is 10 power minus 3. Okay, do this, we get IC equal to 134.39 ampere. Okay, IC we got. Now HC equal to critical current density. HC equal to IC critical current divided by area pi r square. So IC is 134.39 divided by 3.14 into r square. R is 0.5 into 10 power minus 3 whole square. Okay, we get, by calculating, we get 1.71 into 10 power 8 ampere per meter square. So this is the required solution. Similarly we can find IC and JC at T equal to 7.7 Kelvin. Okay, we need to find at 4.2 Kelvin. Also we need to find at 7 Kelvin. The steps are identical. Similarly at T equal to 7 Kelvin, first we need to find HC at T equal to 7 Kelvin. For that, HC of T equal to 0 Kelvin into 1 minus T by Tc the whole square. Okay, HC of T equal to 0 is 6.5 into 10 power 4 into 1 minus T is 7, Tc is 7.2 whole square. Okay, this become 0.356 into 10 power 4 ampere per unit is ampere per meter. Okay, so HC we got. So next task is finding IC. IC is equal to HC into 2 pi r. Okay, HC is 0.356 into 10 power 4 into 2 into 3.14 into 0.5 into 10 power minus 3. The steps are very similar to previous one, so that we are doing this very quickly. Okay, because by doing this we get 11.17 ampere. So next is JC. This is critical current density. JC is IC by pi r square. IC we already got 11.7 divided by pi is 3.14 into 0.5 into 10 power minus 3 the whole square. The answer become 1.42 into 10 power 7 ampere. Okay, this is a final equation. So final answer. So we solved this question. It is a very important question from superconductivity. This type of questions may ask in also ask in the competitive exams like TIFR. So it will be benefit studying this type of problems. So we move to a second question. Okay, this is the second question. Question is, superconducting tin has critical temperature of 3.7 Kelvin in zero magnetic field. Okay, in zero magnetic field, and a critical field of 0.03 Tesla at 0 Kelvin. So The question is find critical field at 2 Kelvin. So we can write given data are critical temperature is given, Tc is given, which is 3.7 Kelvin, and critical field at T equal to 0 Kelvin also given, which is 0.03 Tesla. Okay, these are given. The question is find out HC at T equal to 2 Kelvin. It is very easy question. Use the parabolic equation we previously saw. So use HC of T equal to HC of T equal to 0 into 1 minus T by Tc the whole square. This is important equation. So we put the values HC T equal to 2 Kelvin, which is equal to HC of T equal to 0, which is 0.03 into 1 minus T. T is 2. 2 by Tc is given 3.7 whole square. Okay. Do this. We get 0.021 Tesla. This is the required equation, required solution. So I hope it is clear. These are some important questions from superconductivity. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends also. If you want more videos like this one, please comment the topics you want. Okay, thank you.